This is part 2. Now let's break down how Greenland could generate trillions of dollars in the next 50 years. Greenland holds some of the largest untapped rare earth deposits in the world. These minerals are required for AI chips, electric vehicles, smartphones, satellites, military weapons. Right now, China controls over 60-70% of the global supply. Whoever controls rare earths controls the future economy. As Arctic ice melts, new shipping routes open. Ships traveling between Asia, Europe, and North America can save weeks compared to traditional routes like the Suez Canal that lower fuel costs, faster trade, trillions in global shipping efficiency. Greenland sits right in the center of those routes. Under Greenland's land and sea are oil, natural gas, uranium, hydropower potential. As energy demand rises globally, these resources become long-term revenue streams, not short-term gains. This isn't just about resources, it's about control. Control shipping, control minerals, control defense positioning. That's how nations generate trillions over decades. If you want, part 3, how the Arctic will reshape global power and currencies, comment. Part 3, follow Alpha and Facts for finance, history, and real-world power moves.